Reports that have been suggesting that at least 4 Jawans, including one SPO, have been injured in the Doda attack, exchange of fire that is taking place. And the information suggests that at least 2 terrorists are holed up and the operations are underway. Pradeep Datta breaking down the details for us. This is the 3rd attack that, Pradeep, you are talking about that is being reported.
Yes, there had been back-to-back attack. After the Kathua, there was an attack in Chhatargala area. Chhatargala area is bordering Badawa and Kathua district. This was the place where actually 2 terrorists, they opened fire on the joint deployment of army and police. In this firing, the 5 of the army personnel were injured. 1 special police officer also sustained bullet injuries. They were evacuated to hospital. Their condition is said to be stable. Immediately after that area was properly cordoned, there was an exchange of fire between the terrorists and security forces. Now the search operation here in this area is continuing. Look at the timing of the attack. The first attack on the Pilgrim bus, just hour before Prime Minister Narendra Modi was about to take oath. And now these 2 back-to-back attacks, just a day after Prime Minister has taken over the charge of the country and the ministers have started working. So they are trying to destabilize the situation. They are trying to tell the world that nothing has changed after abrogation of Article 370. All is not well in Jammu region. And the second thing, most important point to note is that all these areas that are being targeted, these are Hindu-dominated areas because they want that there should be backlash. They want to criminalize atmosphere. People very well understand the nefarious and sinister plot of terrorists, and they will not allow this thing to affect the relationship between 2 communities.
Right, you're saying it's not a random attack. The targets were pre-decided. Pradeep, is it too early to get into who's responsible for this, or are you getting any details on that?
See, so far as the Sada attack is concerned, the 2 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists are believed to be behind that because they are the part of the Fidayeen squad of Lashkar-e-Toiba. Because just few meters away from this place is a CRPF headquarters. Maybe they had a plan of entering inside the CRPF headquarters. They wanted to inflict maximum casualty. Either they have lost fail or they have failed to scale the wall of that headquarters. Something really went wrong. That's one of the reasons they came out to this side. They were asking for the water and people got suspicious. But these are 2 Lashkar terrorists. See, during all these 3 attacks, it has been seen that Lashkar and Jaish-e-Mohammed had been tandemly working because on May 4th, there was a meeting that was held in Kaigala area, that's in Rawalakot, and during that meeting, one, they tried to instigate the people in Kashmir Valley, asking the youth to take our guns in their hands and fight against the Indian forces. And second, they said that 2 terrorists, Saifullah and Wahab, who were killed in an encounter in Sopor, they wanted to avenge their killing. So that meeting was a namaz-e-janaza, and under the guise of that namaz-e-janaza, there were 400 people. So Lashkar and Jaish-e-Mohammed...
So under the guise that you've been talking about, is it the same attempt that the terrorists took on as far as in the Kathua village, which is also concerned? What we are getting to know that the operations that are taking place, 1 terrorist there has also been neutralized. And of course, when it comes to the like-mindedness of the people there, of the villagers there, they got suspicious of the movement of these 2 terrorists. Let's listen into the ADGP.
आज 2 आतंकवादी इस जगह पर गांव सैद है ये गांव हीरानगर के थाना के क्षेत्र का है। इस जगह नमूदार हुए, देखिए, तो उसके बाद जैसे ये नमूदार हुए इलाके में लोगों ने अपने, जैसे इन्होंने कोई एक घर में जाकर कुछ लोगों से पानी वगैरह मांगने की कोशिश की, तो जब लोग दहशत में आए तो उसके बाद जैसे सूचना मिली इसकी, तो यहाँ पर SHO और SDPO की टीम मौके पर पहुंची और चूंकि उसमें एक आतंकवादी ने उन पर ग्रेनेड लॉक करने की कोशिश की और एक्सचेंज ऑफ फायर में वो टेररिस्ट मारा गया। ये हमारा एक हॉस्टाइल नेबर है जिसके यहाँ पर जो पीसफुल हमारा सारा एनवायरनमेंट है उसको डैमेज करने के लिए उसकी हमेशा कोशिश ये रहती है। तो लिहाजा ये जो इन्फिल्ट्रेशन है ये अपीयर टू बी फ्रेश इन्फिल्ट्रेशन।
So you heard the ADGP there saying a hostile neighbor tries to destabilize things. Pradeep, thank you very much for getting us the inputs. We'll keep coming back to you. As you said, the operation is currently underway. You're reporting from ground zero. Thank you, Pradeep.